Hey guys, Richard here. Hey, I'm out for a ride this morning. It is a very hot and very muggy morning here in Florida. But I tell you what, I'm riding the Vituvia Zeal 7. Hey, I'm just going to show it to you real quick. Stop right here because this is a good spot. Leaning up against this little fence right here. That is the Vituvia Zeal V7. It's got, what is it, 2 1/4 tires, 27x5. We got a 13 amp hour battery, 500 watt motor. It's a torque sensor, so even though it's got a 500 watt motor, it's working very well. Plenty powerful enough, especially out here on flat ground like we have here. Happy with it so far, really happy with this. This is our second video that we've made with it, but yeah, just enjoying it. Nice seat, the saddle is nice and wide and works well. There's no reason to upgrade that saddle like you do on some bikes, so they nice job with picking out a saddle for it. Left-handed thumb throttle, faux leather wrapped handle grips here. They're not locking, so they do slide a little bit, especially in the heat that we have here. It keeps everything nice and soft, so it does wiggle a little bit, unfortunately. We got hydraulic brakes, pretty standard button pad right here, 7-speed Shimano. The wiring up front is wrapped nice. This is one of my favorite style headlights. They work well. Got a smaller rack back here. It's kind of interesting how this is designed, but you know, you got the support here, but it's like we're missing a support here. So, but it does say that you're good for 25 kilograms, so whatever that equates to. So you can put some lighter stuff on there, no problem at all. But just an awesome bike and beautiful color too. So really enjoying the color. It's an attention getter. Let's get out here and just see how it performs. I'm already in pass 5. That's where I left it, so we're just going to leave it there. Nope. I lied. It was pass 3. Now we're in pass 5. So we're just going to go cruising out here past this little park, and pretty little park. Yeah. Nice little area. Let's see here. No one coming from behind. Going to go on across. Yeah, the throttle is very responsive. So you hit the throttle, it just want to pick up and go pretty quick there. You know, I've got good pedal resistance in 7th gear at 20 miles an hour. I'm pedaling that fast, so I'm still doing fine. I like it when you have good pedal resistance and you don't ghost pedal at 20, so they did a good job with getting the correct gear set in there. And with that torque sensor, I can scoot on up here a little faster if I wanted to, but we're running out of road, so we're not going to do that. Yeah, so just all around really good value for what you're getting here. You don't have, you have suspension forks, they're just not adjustable, but I haven't felt a need to adjust them. They work fine for what I've got going on here. And in fact, I'll tell you, most bikes that I get, I don't have to adjust those forks at all. I've never found a need to have to adjust them. And so for the fact that these aren't adjustable, that's fine. They still work just fine to get you, you know, around some rougher road. Look, we're just going to cut through this grass here, and this is really rough through here. This is pretty hard packed and bumpy. And this bike didn't slow down at all, didn't miss a beat. Did real well with it. Yeah. And the brakes are responsive. Hey, let's go this way. Never been this way before. We'll go down this little sidewalk. This leads us back to that little park. Cruising around here. Yeah, so hey, make sure you check out the Vituvia. They're not a brand that is really well known, but they've got good products so far. I mean, I'm happy with this one. Pleased with the quality of the build and the performance of it. So definitely, if it's something you're looking for, if you're looking for a cruising style, you know, thinner tile, street type bike, definitely consider this one because, man, it looks amazing. It really does. Guys, that's going to be it for this video. Give me a like, give me a thumbs up, comment down below if you have any questions. I'll see you in another video real soon. I'm going to go enjoy this ride.